Hi everybody, it's Chris Willett from Notes from the Vagabond. Hope everybody's having a good day. Today I'm making a little video of adding more RAM to my computer. It has 4 gigabytes. I want it to be 8 gigabytes. I called Apple, asked them about could I bring it in, have them do it. They said they wouldn't. They wanted me to take it to an authorized Apple dealer. Kind of watched a few videos and read some of the instructions online, and this is a project I think I can tackle. I'm not a big computer repair guy or anything, but I think I can tackle this one. So I thought I'd make a little video, show other people what happened. So find out about your computer, go up to Apple, about this Mac. This opens up, and I don't know if you can see it here, but on overview, yeah, there it is. It shows that I got the 15-inch late 2008, and then when I go to memory, it shows that I got 4 gigabytes, 2 in each slot. So what I got the instructions from Apple, how to replace my memory, real small Phillips screwdriver, the new RAM. This is by Crucial. What I liked about them is I went to their website, they ran a little program and found out exactly what memory I needed to replace it with. So the first thing I'm going to do is shut down the computer. So I'm shutting it down. Make sure everything's unplugged, don't have anything plugged into it. I would highly recommend backing up the computer before doing any of this work. Okay, so the first step is to remove the battery. So that case comes off there. Then I got 8 screws to take out. It's always hard to film and do this at the same time. After I get this cover off, take the battery out. It comes out like that. Got to remove these 8 screws and touch the side of the laptop here to discharge any static electricity. And these screws, they go in a certain place. I can't get them mixed up. So I'm going to try to just lay them right out where they are. Okay, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4 there. There's 4 here. Was going to leave them in there, but that's a small one, big one, big one, big one. Dunk. Okay, right there's the memory. Let's zoom in here. Okay, now it says they pop up like that. Here's the round circles. Pull that one out. They don't want you to touch the gold. Okay. So line it up, push it in there like that, goes down. Up and down like that. There. I wish it fit a little bit better. Let's try it. We'll try it. So they say to save your memory, in case you ever take it into Apple and they say they won't work on it without the original memory or something like that. Okay, got it all back together. Now for the scary part, starting it up, see if it's going to work. Don't know. I do these kind of things, you never know. Now they said it might take a while for it to boot up. Okay, so my first attempt, somehow I didn't get my RAM in there properly, so I had to open it up again. I took the top one, put it on the bottom one up on top. Now you can see that I got 8 gigabytes of RAM, 4 on each side. So now it all seems to be up and working well. Well, there you have it. Not too tough of a project. I did make the one mistake. Had to do it twice, but I still saved some time. I saved some money. I like doing things myself. Anyway, if you found this movie useful, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.